Let's move to the next task. The next task we are going to see is we will try to generate a code using ChatGPT to calculate sum and average of few columns in the Excel file. So for that, let's open the Excel file. Maybe I'll open this file. And in this file, let us take two columns. For example, there is a units column and a unit price column. What we will try to do through this automation is we will calculate the average of the units column and calculate the average of the unit price column. Okay, sorry, sum of the unit price column. Okay, let's see how this can be done. For that, we have to create a new Python file in the IDE. Just we'll go to the IDE and we will create a new Python file. As we are going to calculate the sum and average, we will name the file as sum underscore average.py. Okay, so the new file is created. Let's go to ChatGPT and type the query that we want to ask. Okay, so make the queries whatever you're typing the ChatGPT as simple and as clear as possible so that you will get solution in the first attempt itself. Okay, and let's type the query. There are 12 Excel files named January, February till December. We have to write a Python code. Okay, write a Python code to calculate. Let's see, calculate the sum. Okay, let's open the Excel file and see. You can see the sum, the units which we want to calculate the average is in the F column and the unit price is in the G column, which we are going to calculate the sum. Okay, so we have to calculate the sum from G22 to G44 and F2 to F44. Okay, F2 to F44 and G2 to G44. And what we will do is we will write the result in the G45 and F45. That the sum of the unit price will be in G45 and the average will be in the F45. Okay, let's write the query for that. Sum of cells G2 to G44. That is the unit price cell and average from cells. There is a unit column that is F2 to F44 and we will write the results in G45 and F45 cells in the respective Excel files. So each month will have that sum and average values. Okay. So there are 12 Excel files named January, February, and till December. Write a Python code to calculate the sum of cells from G2 to G44 and average from cells F to F44 and write the result in G45 and F45 cell in the respective Excel files. So let's submit the query and let's wait for ChatGPT to write the code. Okay, let's see whether the code has been generated. Okay, the code has been generated. And if you can see, ChatGPT is asking you to install the OpenPy Excel library, which I already shared previously how to install it, the command to install it. Okay, and let's go. So the command is pip install openpy excel before running the code. Okay, and Excel files are in the same directory as a Python script that you have to ensure. Okay, let's copy the code and go to the IDE and copy paste the code and let's run the code. Okay. Okay, the code has been executed successfully. Let's open the Excel files and see whether the sum and average values are updated. So the sum and average values should be in the G45 and F45 cells respectively in each Excel file. Let's see. Okay, you can see the sum and average are in the G45 and F45 respectively. Okay, let's open another file also. Okay, randomly we will open another file. Okay, here also the sum and average is there. Okay, so our second task of automation, that is calculating sum and average in Excel files in Python code using ChatGPT, has been done successfully. Let's move on to the next task. Okay,